As you know, we live in town.
Yes.
You know, Kitutu Central is a CBD. We call it a CBD. And for information on the into the interchange in the whole of Kisii and Nyamira County. So when na kina iga ebi into bina ra bitali Congo kitumi. You know, the work of an MCA is to present people, to make laws in the county assembly,
Yes,
and to oversight the governor. That's the major role. So again, to kiagera nkarigeri nkara the way development yako kana in the ward. Kitutu Central is among the biggest ward in the whole county government of Kisii. It got over 25,000 registered voters. Meaning that as an MCA karo ikaransa na assembly karo kwa uli bago kwana when you are articulating your issues aba MCA bando ikabago tegera. For example, Kitutu Central na Kisii Central.
Yes.
Ya mwenye ne adi ukinyarangu. Ere megeti town na pirigo. Na wana mheshimiwa waroga unagoja kwero kwa MCA mbugo na komenya. Kaya ro kamenya ita Kisii Central was Kitutu Central. Meaning that can go back motion. Ntebenga one for example, no ikana star. Saa 5 iga nige sunte town. Town iteli ya onde, teli ya gwaro mbasi yako bodi.
Yes.
Ene ya Sungura. Ekana ngobeke mshini ntanga ki we need street lights in town, at least abantu bakora 24 working economy ebyasara. Nabo muntu okora mujengo ya mugaso on ya mandasi ni chinju putuko. Waruta ukana na badanga tia emotion because ngo tokonyeretwa twins. But bona binte bimbi kwa tiki mbiyo. Town igaiga ekaro kuligerio mwana ominto street lights echi they are nowhere. Kero kuli ya mangana nona ya amachi. Okonyero muntu oli masimba ngana babwata amachi agwasika yali town iga aiteta agati. Lakini muntu oli Kitutu Central le town gati ngatabwati machi. Na hane nso basa amenyete. Na itiri gasi yonde ne gasi mu MC abwante kwempa abandata ngaki na babekera amachi inwaka na jibi ora chipipe mokoleki mo connect. Number 3 ndubane ko nga sewage. Town needs to be sewage because town yega kitole population bonega bole mombo kala tiki mbuyo. Abante bakole ngabona nga abantu bakole mecho no ma techo liga disabu sino okolema.
Yes.
Lakini now town we need to okora amangana a sewage. Ine gas teli gas yonde the work of an MCA no go present abantu bae batanga kia yako bole mbo akere tikatokole.
Yes.
Number 4 in terms of roads network nona na boko vera you can bear with me. Chira road chichira chinyingo ogweta no mwezi miwa gara gweta uchi mai no ege gari yaera kwa na boli mondoka ikwa kwama inganga katikati ye town. Are you get the point?
Yes.
So I can go into nevi na feeling it is not telling mbope it's about lack of presentation in the county assembly of Kisii. And if I feel that we have that knowledge and wisdom that we can bring these things to be kolekane na hande kare kwa bimanyire.
Yes.
Na wanya sanga te balenga ki I think igwa koleta kwa rocha abantu baba chandika. Let me come out and present my people so that inga ki nkole bintebi biribi asini okoro yo ikaransete. Let me work on it. Bikore agara wanta tenga ki now this is what we lacked. Kwarole. Yes. And that's why na chitinga soka is kumno musae ngataba if I can be elected as an MC of Kitutu Central Ward I am able to fix the problem Kitutu Central kola egwetera. Kwarole.
Yes.
Whereby omuntu kramende town tikomanya ki neba saa moja na saa 2 abugete mugaso because there is lights in security.
Yes.
Omuntu akwengeta bone go soka kuchigaiga ogwakirwe ngweta ekona muinoga. It's not a work of security. It's because of obeka light muibita akabera gap. That's the work of the MC to empower to ensure that town is clean and there is environment erengia asaba menyive county ya. Yes.
Yes.
Yes.